I have this 60-inch Samsung television. My son was playing his video games. He said he heard a pop and the TV went dark. So let's open it up and find out. Alright, here you go. Here's the model number. This was manufactured in September 2016. So it's 10 years old. Not going to lose anything trying to fix it. I'm going to take off the screws on this metal panel. Now that all the screws are out, this will just lift right up. Let's try and find out. Here's the power supply. So this is the power supply, it's where the power comes in. I can see that this capacitor is what failed, or something in there. Here's the part number. I did order a replacement board. These are no longer in production since this TV's 10 years old. So I bought a replacement. Let's hope that works. Alright, on this old one I just removed these 5 screws. These pop right out, no problem. The new one, it's a little different, maybe a lot different, but it's supposedly a direct aftermarket replacement. It does bolt right up to the same holes, it's got the same connections, so I'll put it together, let's see how it works. Here that is, all screwed in and wired up. Let's throw the back on. Alright, I'm going to turn this thing on, hopefully it works. All right, not too bad.